Today I am starting a new series for spellings, grammar and punctuation for grade 1 to 2 students. In this video I will share from lesson 1 to lesson 10 that how you can teach spellings, grammar and punctuation to your child if they are in grade 1 or 2 or if they have just passed the kindergarten. So first lesson is about sh sound. Keep this thing in your mind that these are the lessons for those students who have done all the 42 sounds in English language. If you don't know about these sounds and you want to learn or teach these sounds, you can go and visit my YouTube channel. The first lesson is about sh sound. It's a consonant digraph. Repeat sh sound with story, action and poem. And ask your child or student to write sh word in each fish. You can make many fishes. At least you have to make 4 to 6 fishes. And ask them to write words having sh sound. Then here I am sharing a list of dictation words which you can ask them to write at this stage. Cat, clap, shop, fish, shed, wish, shampoo. Is basically a tricky or a sight word or a repetitive word. And tricky words, here are also 2 tricky words which you can ask them to write. And you can also say them. These are basically the sight words. I and the. Now, lesson 2. You can prepare those lessons in a simple notebook as I have prepared for you. So the lesson 2 is repeat ch sound with story, point and action. Ask your child or student to write ch word in each chest. You can make at least 4 to 6 chests. For example, I wrote chin in one of the chests. Here is a list of dictation words and some tricky words which is required to teach them at this stage. F, hot, blood, chips. 1, chest, mud, chicken, he and she. Here the open syllable rule is applied which we cannot teach at this level. Now the lesson number 3. Put words in a correct order. Eggs fried I like. If your student or child is a native speaker, it will be easy for them to write this sentence in a correct manner. But for non-native speakers, what you have to do, you need to draw some diagrams so they can easily understand the sentence. Some other examples are pond a swims, duck the on. A duck swims on the duck. To the run chicks nest the chicks run to the nest. Here is a lesson 4 for spellings, grammar and punctuation. Repeat z sound with story, action and poem. Basically its pronunciation is s and z. But we are not native speakers. We can say the and th. Write the word in each bubble. Ask them to write some words. For example, this, etc. Here is a list of dictation words and some tricky words. Us, sad, flag, this, with, that, thank, thanking. Tricky words, me and we. Now on lesson number 5. Repeat sound with story, action and poem. Write word in each ring. And ask them to write words having the vowel a, then e, then I, then o, then a. Because at this time you have to teach them the importance of the short vowel sounds. Here's a list of dictation words and some tricky words: in, leg, glad, ring, sang, strong, lung, lungs. Be and was are the tricky or the sight words. Lesson number 6 is repeat sound with story, action and poem. Ask your child or student to write word in each duck. Try to make at least 4 to 6 ducks. Here's a list of dictation words: on, but, plum, quick, quiz, queen, squid, squirrel. Tricky words are to and do. Here's also open syllable rule is applied, which we don't have to teach at this level. But if you want to learn about open syllable rule, go on my YouTube channel and learn over it. Proper noun is the lesson number 7. The action for this is touch your forehead with your index and middle fingers. Ask your child or student to make his picture and the picture of his teacher or somebody else, and ask them to write the address, any address of their school, their home or their friend's home on the envelope. Address and that particular child and the teacher, these all are proper noun. Complete video is uploaded about nouns on my YouTube channel. You can go and have a look. Now the lesson number 8. Repeat R sound with story, action and poem. Ask your child or student to write R words in each star. For example, star, hard, far, and there are many other examples. Here I am sharing a list of dictation words and 2 tricky words: at, yes, slug, arm, hard, scarf, card, farmyard, are, and all. These are the tricky words for the students in grade 1 and 2. But later on you can teach them the logic. Lesson number 9 is about the common noun. Action for this is put your hand on your forehead. You know what are the common nouns? That anything has a name, and anything around us is basically a common noun. Ask your child to draw anything in these frames. For example, I drew cartoons and make its face. So it is a common noun. If I draw Mickey Mouse instead of any cartoon, that Mickey Mouse will be the proper noun because it is a specific cartoon. Here is another activity which you can give to your child or student to write a noun and draw a picture. For example, the cat is black. Ask them to draw a cat over it. My drawing is not so good. So your child or student would be good at drawing. Okay. I throw the ball, a fish or a duck can swim. I like to eat banana. Now the lesson number 10. It is the most interesting lesson because it is about the vowel and the short vowel sounds o, a. Make a vowel hand and you can paste this vowel hand in the children's room and ask them to write some words having the vowel A sound, having the vowel I sound, vowel E, vowel O and vowel U. Short sound. Keep this thing in your mind. At this stage, ask them to write words having the short sound. If you are following me and you are watching my YouTube channel, you will be definitely knowing about these vowels and their short sounds. For example, I tried to make a bag. Okay, now I can write over it bag, hat, mat, etc. Now here's a list of dictation words: dog, brand, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. You, your, Saturday. You and your are the tricky words. If you don't know how to teach these words or the spellings of these words, you can go on my YouTube channel and you can watch the video about the spellings of the days of the week. So subscribe for more and follow me on Facebook and Insta. And second episode about these lessons will be coming soon. Thank you.